Alex picked up a dictionary, flipping through the pages with curiosity. I never realized how tricky verbs can be, he mused, glancing at Sam. Especially was and where. They're like twins with different personalities, Sam replied, scribbling notes with enthusiasm. Alex leaned forward, pointing to a sentence in the grammar book. Look here! Was is used when talking about a singular subject in the past, he explained, his finger tracing the example. The cat was sleeping. Sam nodded, tapping the pen against his chin. And where is for plural subjects, right? Like when we say, the cats were playing. It makes sense now. Sam poured tea into two mismatched cups. Let's try making sentences ourselves. How about we were in the park yesterday? He suggested with a smile. Alex chuckled, taking a sip of tea. All right, how about this one? I was reading a book last night. I think we're getting the hang of it. Alex gazed out the window, watching the first stars appear. It's amazing how words can transform our understanding of the past, he said thoughtfully. Sam joined him, looking up the sky. Yeah, and now we can share our stories more clearly. Whether it's about one cat or 10, he laughed. I think we've made great progress today, Alex remarked, feeling a sense of accomplishment. Absolutely. Tomorrow, let's tackle some new words. Some suggested, already eager for their next adventure in language.